Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So this is very urgent update for all Cardano holder, my brother, because absolutely all currencies is very badly fails down. So we are very shortly update you and predicate this coin, and also my brother share opinion now. This time, my brother, the last 7 days chart is on the screen, my brother, and absolutely the chain occur very positive now. But if we check out just in only in last 1 hour, so this is in the negative now and completely and the loss. So if we can see, my brother, these two chart is completely tell you, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a lot of chances they will move up for now. Ask me why, how, my brother. Because, my brother, absolutely after a fails they will take a jump, so and after a jump they will fails down. So absolutely, my friend, in the last 1 hour chart, that's mean, my brother, this coin is in the profit like this, my brother. Absolutely, after this jump you can see, my brother, this point they will give you a very good price, but after this you can see they fails down to this point, so that's mean to they are lost, and my friend, this time they are very badly fails down. But after this you can see they will moving upward now, so that's mean, so they will go in the profit now. But current condition is very technical now, but I hope, my brother, they will recover this all loss. But this is only possible, my brother, if a holder all hold. So holder, I have just, my friend, share my I just share my opinion, my brother, and absolutely this is not a financial video. I just advise you, please research personally before you take any decision. But this time, whether this coin is in the profit, go in the profit. So if you hold it, if you invest more, absolutely, if you have any plan to buy more, so I think this is very good time. Buy it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now at the end of month. Yes, if we check out, my friend, the last 1 hour update to what's going on in the same time, so exactly, my friend, this time Cardano is completely in the profit and the change occur is positive now, plus 0.51%. the price is in the profit, and you can see here 1.44 USD dollar is the latest price, exactly, my friend. And that's mean to Cardano will move up and now, so the big explosion, my friend, absolutely coming soon now. Sometime, my friend, they will fail down, but don't see, my friend, the short fail, because this will be one of the stable coin, and I hope, my brother, upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But kindly, holder, you need to subscribe this channel for more this type urgent and latest updates. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.